Currently, if I query a blog post from the REST API, I don't see the author. So there's no author field here. There's no username field. I don't know who wrote that blog post. And that's kind of important when you have the application. You definitely want to display the author kind of at the bottom. If you can imagine like a recycler view or viewing an individual blog, you definitely want to see the author. So we need to change the blog serializer to return an extra field. And we're going to be using something known as a Serializer Method Field or a serialized method field to do that. So I'm coming into the serializer and I'm actually going to create a new field. This is going to be, whoops, oh, what am I doing there? I don't have no idea how date updated came up there. I need to create a username field. This is going to be Serializer Method Field. And you can see these all in the Django Rest framework documentation. If you just go to the Serializers section, there's a list of like different serializers that you can use. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to define a method that is going to be responsible for returning the username field to the API, or I guess to the request. And inside brackets here, the thing that I'm defining is the name of that method. So get username from author is going to be the name of that method. And if I declare it there, that means I have to create, oh, it looks like my spacing is messed up here. So I'm tabbing this in and then tabbing that out. I need to create that method name right here. So this is going to be define get username from author. And it's going to take in self, and it's going to take in the blog post, and I want to get that username. So username equals blogpost.author.username, and then I want to return that. So return username. So again, how this works is it creates a new field. Then you want to add that field to the fields section right here in the meta class override section, and then you declare a serializer method field and you create a method that's responsible for returning that username. So what it does is it takes the blog post, it gets the author, and then returns the username. It's all pretty straightforward, but you'll probably find that it's more difficult to do with certain things than you think. I'm sure you'll end up playing around with it and you'll run into your own issues. So anyway, let's click send, and there is the user who is the author to that blog post. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a short one showing you how to use serializer method fields. And once again, I encourage you to check out the documentation in the serializer section. So go to API guide, go to serializers, there they are, and check out the different types of serializers that they have and the different types of things that you can do with those serializers. So in the next one, we are going to start working on pagination, because right now, we actually currently don't even have a way to return a list of blog posts. So probably first we're going to work on a way to return a list of all the blog posts that are on the website, and then work on a way to paginate those results.